Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Again, I'm Chef Jose Soto, as we all present our videos and say who we are. Yes, I am a chef. Collecting basketball cards and Pokemon recently since this midsummer that just passed. So, you know, I've been having a good time putting it together, you know, and buy stuff like this, which is very nice and cool, you know, and we have fun. You know, when I invest in the investment and just I try to keep, you know, putting it together and go and so on life and see what we get, right? I mean, that's why we invest in, and hopefully we get lucky all the time, and we can do this, you know. We can do this and pull bangers, you know. Actually, I'm gonna put it here, you know. Oh man, this is nothing here. My first pack is a dud. Yeah, let's continue. Who's that? Okay, Corbeetle. Okay. I like to show off what I got. Okay. I like the shark. Go. Like this. Wow, today's investment is hitting me hard. Hitting me really hard. Very nice. I'm supposed to get that one. This box really, nothing in this box. Oh. Colossal. I think that was a bit of a failure. Yep. Okay. Alright guys, I got a few more boxes to open. I got 5 boxes today. Yep. And I'll see you in the next one.